History of organic chemistry. Earlier, scientists believed organic compounds could only be made by living organisms. This idea was called vital force theory. But in 1828, scientist Friedrich Wohler changed everything. He prepared urea in the laboratory from an inorganic compound. This proved that organic compounds can also be synthesized in labs. And vital force theory was rejected. This discovery started modern organic chemistry.